Can this under $30 Amazon leather care kit really do what it says it can do? The listing claims that it can clean, hydrate, and protect your leather goods. So today, I'm going to be putting that to the test. I have here a really old pair of leather boat shoes that have definitely seen better days. I'm going to follow the instructions in the box and do the entire process on one shoe and keep the other one as is so we can compare the result at the end. Let's take a look at everything that comes in this set. You get 3 horsehair brushes, saddle soap, mink oil, a leather weatherproofer, 3 microfiber cloths, a small towel, a small shoehorn, and a nice little cinched bag to keep everything in. I'd say that's a pretty good amount of stuff, so let's get started with the process. Step 1. First up is the basic clean. I'm just going to go ahead and take the big brush and start wiping away any dust and debris and get it ready for the saddle soap in the next step. Moving on to step 2, now I'm applying the saddle soap with the round brush. I have a bit of water on the side here, and I'm just going to dip the brush in, swirl it around in the soap, and then lather it gently onto the shoe in a circular motion. You just want to make sure it doesn't get too wet, just wet enough to work up a good lather. Then I'll use the cloth to wipe away all the soap residue, and once that's done, I have to let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Alrighty, so I let that sit for about 20 to 30 minutes to dry, and now we're moving on to step 3, and that's going to be the mink oil. And for this, I'm using the smallest brush in the kit. I'm just going to try to get a nice, consistent, thin layer all over the shoe and using the brush to work it into all of the hard to reach areas around the creases, stitching, and laces. Then I'll take the cloth and gently wipe off any excess and let this sit for around 6 to 12 hours to give the oil time to fully absorb into the leather. Alright, and I pretty much just let this sit overnight, so now I'm going to go ahead and finish things off by applying the waterproofing solution. And here we have it. Look at it next to the untouched shoe for a side-by-side comparison. The care kit definitely made the leather appear darker. It almost has this richness to it. Honestly, I got these shoes so long ago that I don't even remember what they originally looked like, but they've developed a patina over time and taken on a different shade of brown that I actually really like. The treated shoe also has a much softer look to it overall. Thanks to the mink oil, it's almost like putting lotion on dry, cracked skin. You can just tell that it's not as dried out anymore. Overall, for the price, this kit is definitely a solid thing to have around. I barely made a dent in any of it, so I'll be able to get plenty more uses out of it on other leather goods, like boots, bags, and furniture. If you want to grab one of these kits for yourself, I'll have an affiliate link in the description below. Purchasing through that link helps support the channel and allows me to keep making videos just like this for you guys. Make sure to subscribe for more leather working, tool reviews, and DIY content. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.